Ix-xahar ta' Settembru kien wieħed li ġab miegħu dieqa kiefra fuq żewġ familji wara li żewġ ġuvintur fi fjur żożithom instabu mejta wara li kienu qegħdin jgħoddsu f'Baħariċċa u fix-Xemxija. Il-mewt ta' Neil Zamit 24 sena minn Raħal ġdid u sar minn Bsajla 20 sena minn Rabat ma ġabitx biss dieqa fost l-għaddasa, iżda nislet ukoll tħassib fost il-qraba tagħhom. Biex iħeġġeġ li l-għaddasa jieħdu kull prekawzjoni qabel jinżlu jgħoddsu n-nifs, il-Malta Freediving Club tella sessjoni ta' taħriġ u sigurtà bilan li jiġu evitati aktar traġedji bħal dawn. Viżibilment emozjonat Lukas Sar, membru tal-Malta Freediving Club, qal li hemm mezzi kif dawn l-inċidenti jistgħu jiġu evitati.
We did something similar last year as well, and also because of the events that happened with Neil Zamit, who was a friend of mine, and so it was so unfortunate. And also there are ways to be safe with freediving, and want to at least make people aware of that.
U għasemma bosta prekawzjonijiet li għandhom jieħdu l-għaddasa.
Learning about the breath hold, what happens when you hold your breath, why you get the urge to breathe, how long should you stay down, what are the signs that you're about to black out, and that kind of stuff. Then general safety, which are international standards of safety.
Luke semma wkoll il-body system, sistema li permezz tagħha min imur Jogħdos qatt ma jkun waħdu.
In both freediving and in spearfishing, you should always dive with a buddy, and the buddy is there. The buddy is always watching you, okay? And in freediving, for example, the buddy would go down half the depth that you would go down, wait for you there, ascend with you, and stay in close proximity.
Fl-aħħar ta' sessjoni l-parteċipanti żammew in-nifs għal 30 sekonda b'rispett lejn iż-żewġ vittmi.